I wish I wear my apa the pants. In front confirm rain lah. Oh, raining very heavy in front. Uh-oh. No! Should we stop? The leader must say leh. Very dangerous, man. To stop. Cannot stop. But sure, all wet already. Wow, heavy eh. Don't know. Okay. Ya lah, don't know leh. I don't know. But too dangerous to stop because we got too many bikes already. What's the distance, huh?
Less than 100, I think.
Wow, it means still quite far. That means,
Black code is clear, there's something at Kuala, right?
I don't know. I don't think we can outrun the rain. No way lah. All signal one.
Yes.
I cannot stop here lah. Too dangerous lah. Yeah, it's very heavy in front. In front is very heavy. I don't know, but it's damn heavy.
Yeah. I saw the...
If you want to stop, must stop already. Yeah, if you need to stop, want to stop, must stop now. You're not in front, you're fucked already. No point stopping already after that. Oh, GG. Never mind lah. Where lah?
Are they stopping or just hazel light only?
2 kilometers got Pago. Just now the guy who crashed, I see his skin all burnt. I think we should stop. I think they are stopping now. That's why they all keep to this lane already. I think so. But I think by then we are all wet already. Yeah, wet already. Why did I not wear my Alpine Star? Jen. I don't know, man. But below wet, very uncomfortable one. Oh no! I'm all wet already. Inside all wet already. Ayo, this guy bike spoil. Yeah lah, shit, my dick just got... I
can feel my...
Too late by a bit lah, we all. Ah, my under. I feel my dick is wet. Ah, why they stop here? Why? What's the point? Go to the shelf lah. Go to the petrol kiosk lah. Hey, go to the petrol. Yeah. Let's just go lah. I don't know why they stop here. Ah, ni. I'm gonna stop at shelf. A lot of people though. Stop at the EV there. Oh, you're here. My underwear is wet. Yeah, why they stop there?